Hello guys, I want to welcome you all back to Deriv Killer Strategies. So I want to sincerely apologize again over not posting videos and regular updates. You see, there were some issues with with our Deriv account, so the funds were frozen and it was going through some investigations and all that. So I'm glad it has all been resolved. So everything is back to normal. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make consistent profit this period. So because of that, the normal challenge that goes on every December, so many persons have been sending up messages that in December, the 30-day challenge, what's up with it? So for the first time in 4 years, the 30-day challenge is not going to hold December. It's going to hold by January, by January. So to give us time to prepare for the 30-day challenge. So by January, just get ready. And I think it's even better, because the January, it will prepare you for the year, Imagine you making consistent profit in January. It should take you till, to start the year in a very grand start. So let me go and show you guys the last video that I actually did was on key levels. So that's the strategy, SNRO key levels. So that's the strategy I'm still gonna continue with, because for now I think it kills the reef very well. So you can see here, this is our V level. This is our V level to look very well. This is our V level. But you can see this is V25 daily chart, because I'm using an iPad, a tablet actually, to teach you so that you guys can understand this strategy very well. So I'm going to be teaching you with this so that it is very easy. So you can see price actually did reject this level. Let me show you something. Price did reject this level at this point. But what happened? We made the price reject this level. Was it not supposed to go up, It failed. So let's see exactly what actually happened. Go to our H4, like I told you. You wait for your H4 breakouts, daily reject daily. So you wait for the external breakout, not the internal. The external breakout is the breakout that happens before price gets to your key level, and this is our key level. One price actually go to our key level, and this is it. If you look very well here, price actually did reject our key level, not at this point. So price failed to break it. So the price actually went down. So we can't use that. So you can see why that key level, it was like more of a continuation. So let's see what next we can do. So you can see this. Let's go to our line chart and see. And see this is our V level. Our V level. You can see here, price actually did come back to reject this. You can see this V level here as it's coming to reject. So, but what is the nearest key level to you? Because daily reject daily. So you go to the next key level to look for where price, because this is a downtrend. Actually, you should be looking for sell, not buy, because this is a downtrend and price has not actually taken out any of these levels. So the next key level you have here should be this point. And if you look very well, price, this is it here. You can see You can see, yeah, this is it. You can see this is our key level here. You can see here, it was fresh. This is first touch. You can see second touch, like price rejected with a week, so it became unfresh. Then price use a full body. Go to the previous video and I've talked about all this. Price rejected with a full body, so it became fresh. Price rejected with week again, begin on fresh. That's two. It became fresh. Price came back with a week again. It became on fresh. That's three. Price 4. This is the fifth one. You can see it is still fresh. It's still fresh. So that means if price comes back to it, we can actually use it. So what do we do next? What do we do? Look for price to actually take out the H4 key level. So you can see the last low before price actually went here. You can see this is it here. This is the last structure that price actually did. Price made this higher low. Price made this low here. Price made this lower low. I'm making this lower high. Sorry. Now see this lower low. Now I'm making the lower high. The price of house is actually taking out the structure. So what we need to look at now is you can see here there's no QM. So price does go back to the last resort level, to our key level. So at this point you can, after the rejection on that key level, so you can take your trade and you can hold to the next daily key levels. Sorry, my connection is kind of slow. Okay, so you can see, guys, so you at this point after this rejection on this zone here, after this rejection, you wait for a rejection on the zone. So this is a rejection. Let me show you something. This is a rejection here. After this rejection here, you put your this is it here. This rejection here and this one. So let's go to our daily and see something. So what is our next? I'm coming, guys. Hold on. So what is our next structure? So price is actually coming down to, you can see here price actually coming down here to our key level. It's coming down here to our key level. So this should be your target profit. So price is actually coming down here, but I've taken out the structure. So you can see your stop loss here and the target profit. Yeah. You can see, guys, you can see how easy it is. So imagine if after this candlesticks, this bearish engulfing candlestick, you pick your fruit and that's where your target profit will be. So it's a very easy strategy, guys. It's very, very easy. So let me give you one last example so I can wrap this up. But there will be regular signals for everyone, you know. There will be regular signals now for everyone. So let's look at this. See, if we were to pick this trade, what do we do? You can see here is our key level sitting right here. You know, this is our key level sitting right here. Let's see. You can see it is fresh. It is fresh. You can see it is fresh here because it was rejected by, after a week, a body came through. It is fresh. So all we need to do is to come here. So when did the daily reject daily? So daily did reject daily here. This is a daily reject daily. So what should be our next target? Like if we want to target, yes, there's a key level sitting right here. So if this should work out well for us, so we should target this key level. You know, there's another key level sitting right here. You know, daily to daily, daily to daily. So, but if you are using the 4 hours key level, you know, the 4 hours key level, it should be 4 hours to 4 hours, 4 hours to 4 hours. If you're using the 1 hour, maybe like example continuation trends. If you want to look for continuation, that's it. H4. Let me assume now that you are looking for continuation trend. So let's say our next key level sits right here, and from this point, like you need trades that will take you to this point, you know. So I'm just giving you an instance. So you just go to your H4 and look for H4, reject H4, then go to 1 hour and look for the breakout, and you can pick your trade to the next daily key level. So now this is it. So let's look for the last level that was formed before that breakout. You can see here, this was it here. You can see here, this was it here. This is the last level that was formed. You can see here, this was it here. You can see here, this was it. See, immediately it got broken. Immediately it got broken. Price actually came down. Price actually came down. Let me show you guys something. Price actually came down. See, price actually came down here. From this point now, see, price actually came down here. So after this rejection here, you can pick your trade and pick your trade here, and after that rejection, you will target this place, also take profit. There's no how you cannot get 1:10, 1:5, 1:6. The minimum is 1:4, guys. 1:4. That's fucking precision, guys. Price must come back, but let me give you an instance. Most times price can decide to use the QM. Price can just break a structure, come back to the QM and move. You know, it happens. Sometimes price can decide to come to the level, to the apex level. So it depends on what price actually wants to do. So you have to be very vigilant. You know, you have to be very vigilant. But most times it depends on what price wants to do. Like you can see in this scenario now, this price is actually on a downtrend. So so price can also come back and touch this key level and continue to go down. So guys, that's also it for this video. So I hope you learned something. So you can join our mentorship class to learn how this works. You know, but you can join our normal channel. You will get trade setups, these are for free. So even if you cannot afford the mentorship class comes with signals. It comes with free signals and free signal, and it's the signals are lifetime, guys. They're lifetime. So you ain't paying anything. You just join the mentorship class, which is lifetime. You'll be getting trade, you'll be getting latest updates on how to make consistent profit on Deriv. So that should be all, guys, for this video. Have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.